Alright guys, I will be presented.
Okay, in order to get this thing right, we use equals to b12, then f4 and h12. Wait, this is the formula. H12 and F4, and you might have realized there's a dollar sign in between this F4 and H4. This basically means the C, B and C value. Why we put dollar sign is because in between is because we wanted to log the value. In order to run down this thing, right, to calculate it automatically to be a time saver for us in the future, it's a very critical skill for us to learn. And when we put it down, it will basically run orderly, and you can see the difference. This is our first calculation after we run down, right. You can realize that the H4 and the F4 and H4 is still remain constant, whereas only the B12 and B12 change to B13 and B13. It seems to here too, because this is 22, and you see now is equals to 22, F4 and A22 and H4. And in order to create this chart, we need to highlight this whole thing, and we could go to insert, and we could proceed to here insert line and arrow chart, and you can change the chart that you want, and after you have changed it, it might show some other value which you need to modify it to show the value that you want. And yeah, basically if you put it this, you might see underneath here there's a bit that it turned out to be three line. Basically you need to modify it to the respective value that you wanted to show. And after you have created that thing, you can change the name of the graph. And this question 1, 2, and 3, they basically are correlated. When I say correlated, basically when you change the value for this thing, right, the yellow value will change. When you change the B and C, the yellow value here will change automatically, and the discriminant part will also be changed. This part, when you change it to 20 example, it will automatically run here, and the chart will also change. When you change it back to 3, it changes back automatically, and it back to 11. But when you change it here will change, graph will change, and discriminant will change. Yeah, and let's see. We change this value to other value, okay, to same value. And you can see here they also can indicate, that means later I will show you shortly here, because this is positive discriminant, which you can observe is a 2 solution, whereas later I'll be coming on to here, which remember about this is quite important. And we change it back to 3 and 5 respectively. And all these question 3 and 5, it's highly related to what we learned on our tutorial notes. Wait, let me pull it out. For this b squared minus 4ac is basically the discriminant for this 11. Because you might have observed there's only BC value given, so we assume that A is 1, else it couldn't be valid, the solution. Yeah, after we have done this, and why this value doesn't show is because it's a complex solution. Yeah, where you can see when it's b squared minus 4ac is smaller than 0 is a 2 complex solution. Basically, when we say discriminant, calculating the discriminant, you end up only come up with 3 outcomes. Equals to 0, 1 row solution. Bigger than 0 is basically a positive number, we have 2 row solution. And negative numbers lesser than 0, we have 2 complex solution. Remember just now we changed 30 to 30 is a positive solution, where it revealed two answers here. Probably I just show it again. And this is probably through our tutorial notes. Yeah. And this, we can change it back to 30. Let's see. Okay, that seems like we don't need to change, we just need to change one value, and it turned out to be positive, so we have 2 row solution. And this, basically the 3 type of solution, basically the first one is positive, we will get 2 row solution, and equals to 0 means 1 row solution, and lastly negative value is 2 complex solutions, basically for our question 5. And for this question 4, it's just basically saying about the shifting of the graph. And you can see my conclusion quite clearly that for vertical axis, with this thing, and the graph will shift downward, because actually I have 2 conclusions, so there's a bit complicated, but I'll show you very shortly. But basically it leads to the same outcome. It's just a different understanding, different point of view and understanding people have. Someone might have a better understanding on another conclusion, but it actually is similar. And for the formula for this 2x, I believe I have not shown you guys. It's basically the positive one and divided by 2. I actually have one more picture, but a bit lazy to show. But yeah, okay, but probably it's on my WhatsApp too. Wait, let me draw it out. I sent before. Okay, I think I sent before here. Yeah, let me zoom it in. Cause this is the solution. Cause we assume a is 1. Yeah, and we need to divide by 2. And there's a plus and positive, so one is plus and one is negative. And